Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are discussing about Restful ABAP programming model. So far we have discussed about read EMLs and create EMLs. If you have not watched that video, kindly click on this I button. I would strongly recommend to watch that first and come back here. So in this video, we are going to talk about update EML. For update EML, we are updating header instances or item instances. So there is no association concepts here. You have to separately update instances as per the entities. So here you will be having a header entity. It will be updated from the header related instances. Likewise, for item entities, it will get updated from the item instances data. Okay, so that is common parameters also available here. You could see the failed and reported. If in case update gets failed, you can check this failed and reported for more details. So you can able to do combined with header and items. So here for a single EML modify statement, we are updating the header and updating the item. Okay, let's see the update EML with an example. So if you need to update some instance data, okay, first you need to retrieve the data. So read the data is going to be updated. So where the data will get persisted, either DB or transactional buffer. Second thing, once you can able to read all the data, or you can read specific columns of the table. After that, you can do the updation as per your requirement, right? So update the data in the update parameter. Then once the data gets updated, so what is the final step? We are going to call the modify EML statement with update request. Then do a commit to see the data in the table. Alright, so these are the 4 steps we are going to do. For the first thing, okay, I'm going to do a read EML. So read entities of behavior definition, then entity. So from task entity, I'm going to read it. Okay. Okay. So if I mention whenever I mention the read EML, I have to mention the key values. Okay. So all fields with value So this is my key. So I have to pass the task UUID. Okay, I would get the result in LT underscore result task. Then, of course, we can using the read EML, we can do the association, right? So what I'm going to do is entity task by, I'm going to read by association. So all fields with value this is the same task ID I'm going to provide. So this would give me, actually this would gives me header instances. This would gives me corresponding items instances. All right, result data lt underscore result task item. That's it. So far I have read the, okay, let me provide the key value. These are my two tables. So here I'm just like to modify the data for this record. So I copy this, I gave here. So here also I have to give the same thing. So this would gives me only one record, that we have seen the third record, but this would gives me, let's see how many records. Two records. Okay, sounds good. So what I'm going to do is simply I activate okay, no syntax error. I make a breakpoint. Execute this. So I got the debugger screen. Let's before that you could see the result data has its zeros. Okay. Executed. Cursor is here now. Okay, it's one record, of course, as expected. If you check the task name, create from EML1. Let's check the item, two records, item EML4, item EML5. Okay, so yeah, this looks fine. So for we have a right the header and item instances. Let me do updates. So for a modify EML statement, we need a right parameter to update the instances. So I have to prepare that first. So I'm going to declare the task type table for update GA underscore task, which my behavior definition. I write need structure as well, like my internal table. Okay, definitely we need an item internal table empty j underscore task. So if we go back and check our behavior definition, this is my behavior definition of j underscore task. This is the task entity. Here I can able to create, update, delete, and association of item create possible, right? But association of date delete will not be possible from this entity. That's why we have defined it separately, update and delete enabled in the task item. Okay, so if I want to declare the update parameter correctly, so what I have to do is use a backslash. You have a task entity and task item. All the entities will come from. So you have to provide this. So we declare the structure for my table. Okay, that's fine. Let me go back and prepare the parameters. So first I'm going to prepare either update parameter. So I'm going to say all my data will be here, right? So I'm going to do this into data. Okay. So all the fields. So here we have read all the fields. So I'm going to copy all the fields to my structure. So this is my structure which will help for the updation. Simply use corresponding ls underscore data. So I got it. So specifically I'm going to update only one column. It doesn't matter how many columns you update. Basically this task name I'm going to update. Currently it is create from EML file. So I'm going to update this only one column. So remaining data will be the same. Okay, I'm not changing anything back. So let me find the task name. Here I change to the date. Okay, yeah. All right. So here, whenever creation, updation, okay, you did change something, some columns, okay, you have to pass the control flag for that certain columns. It's really mandatory. If you not pass the control flag, that framework doesn't know which column has been updated. Alright, so here I'm just going to set the control flag for task name. Okay, that's it. I want to update only one column of the header. What else? I prepare the structure. I update the structure back to the update parameter. This is my update parameter. Okay. Okay. That's fine. Yeah. Then what I'm going to do for the next thing is lt underscore result task items ls underscore item. Similarly, for the update the header, I'm going to update the item. So this is my task structure. Okay, I'm not going to change. Confuse. Okay, from item, I take all the data. So here also I'm going to update sub task name. So let's say like update sub task EMLs. Okay, it's fine. Yes, of course. When you are changing some columns, you have to set the control flag. This is military. Then I take the and then take. It's fine. Before that, we'll see that the subtask name is item 4 and 5. Okay, that's good. Let's call that modify statement. Modify entities of my behavior definition. Entity task. I'm going to raise a update request. From underscore task. Alright. Then entity. What is my next entity? It's task item. Update from entity underscore task item. So to check any failed or something, we'll use this. So if any failed happened, then it should not do a count. Okay. Okay. Looks good. Fine. When you do a commit, what will happen? It will update the data to the database table. Some people might have a confusion with DB and transactional buffer. So transactional buffer, it's similar like DB, but all changes, all create, update, delete, all things will be updated, deleted, everything will happen in the transactional buffer. It's like a copy of the database table records. Okay. But when it will get updated, pushed to the database is when we really do a commit. So without commit, it will not update or create anything in the database table. So before I do the commit, okay, I'm going to show you something here. Okay. So what will happen if we do a read EMI here? Okay. So for that, what I'm going to do, this one, the same thing, copy here, put that here. Let me format. Okay, this I have already declared. I keep this as one. This is also one. Save this, activate it. First, I put that here. Simply I just export it. Okay, if I check with did something, no, it did reporter, nothing. Okay, so far, okay, what we have done here is we prepare the things, task items, and header, and we did the EML. So I have not done the DB commit, but without DB commit, if I just check whether it's really updated or not, yeah, we'll check it out. So okay, I executed this EML. So if we check here, see, update name via EML. That's the first record of our data. It's updated. Let's see the items. See, update subtask via EML. Let's see the second record. Yeah. So whenever the read EML happens, it will read the recently changed record from the transactional buffer, not database. If you check the database still, see, it's created from EML. Refresh it, still it's created from EML. Likewise, here, this one, subtask name, right. So it will, you will get always updated data from the transactional buffer when the EML statement has been executed, right? So that's a small thing I just wanted to show. Let me do a comment. Checking that something is reported. Okay, if nothing, if no failed, I'm going to report that I'm doing the commit and deleting the console. Format it. Let me just check the kernel console. Where is my head and execute this. You could see it in the console. Update the message. That's good actually. Let me go and check the database tables. So here it's still create from URL. Refresh this. Yeah, it's fine here. And check this also. Yes, it's updated successfully. So yeah, this is about update EML. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.